大家好, I'm Manda. I'm a garden designer and a gardener, and I live in London. Today, I'd like to look at how we use colour in spring. What colours work together well, I think. So, for example, in my garden, these pots, they're tulips, little daffodils, and I think it's pretty. It looks nice, but the colours kind of clash, I think. They don't really work together. Whereas over here, I think this is very pretty. The colour of the pot with the more pale, delicate colours. And then over here, I think that coloured tulip really works well with those. And I don't know if you can hear that noise, but that's my husband, Guo Yi, inside. He's making jiaozi. You can just see him through the window. So I think I can show some colour in my garden this spring, and also look at a couple of gardens in my neighbourhood that I think the colour works really well. And then some photographs of gardens I've worked on that I think, again, the spring colour looks good. Obviously, colour is quite subjective. You know, we all have different tastes. But I think these colours work well. You might prefer something else. But anyway, whether you've got a garden, a balcony, a window ledge like here, I think it's really nice and creative to look at colour, what works for you. So here, this is the red tulips with the lime green hellebore and the lovely white giant snowdrops. And again, this is the large Helleborus corsicus, the lime green, which I think looks really pretty with the white nemesia. Still a bit of the white magnolia, and just beginning is the white amelanchier, the tree over there. A front garden quite near me, and I always think the colour here is really well done. So the kind of this purple with the purple of the little hellebores in there, and this acer, which is going to be amazing, has these purple flowers that drop down. And there's one more front garden I'd really like to show you. Actually, we should have come maybe last week or the week before, but this is a magnolia, and I love that colour with the clematis in here. It's called Clematis montana, this one. But unfortunately, it's nearly finished, but I have a photo I'll show you too. But I think this is a really beautiful combination. Thank you very much, and I hope this has been interesting, maybe useful for you to look at colour even for next spring or for the summer coming up. And next time I'm going to look at compost, how we make compost, why it's really good for our gardens, and also how to make a compost box in the garden. But meantime, before we go, I'd like to show you some seeds that we planted about 3 weeks ago, I think, and how much they've grown. So already you can see the little seeds have come up really well. They're outside now to show you, but really I keep them inside, not covered anymore. As soon as I saw the tiny green shoots, I took the cover off. I haven't got a greenhouse, so they have to be warm inside. Anyway, 谢谢，再见。